So this is a Lunar Venus 460. We're going to take you through the operation of the caravan. Up above the door, we've got the main control panel. You've got power on. You've got your lights internally, awning lights, leisure battery level, and volts coming from the car. You won't be able to see that till you're connected to a 12 volt system, but that will show you the vehicle battery level that's coming through to the caravan. That will charge your battery on board and you'll be able to allow you to use your fridge as a cool box. If you wish to turn on the water pump, you've got a water pump run here. But before you do that, I would recommend you come underneath the seat on the far side of the caravan and make sure that your drain down valve is in the position it's in now. If you want to drain the water system, you can flick that switch up and it will drain the water off from the caravan. So when you want to fill the water system on board, as I just said, the switch underneath the seat should be in the flat position. But to fill the water system, we come over to the tap and you'll open it on the hot side. I don't want to do it at the moment because there's water in the system. I don't want to flood the caravan out. But you'll open the tap up on the sink. Same in the bathroom and the shower one also. Open all the taps up on the hot side and it'll allow you to bleed the water system. So at that point, with your aqua roll connector on the outside, which I'll show you in a moment, you can hit the water pump and that will turn the water pump on. Then when I come back to the tap, you'll have water running freely out of the taps. It will, to start with, spit and splatter slightly. That will clear up once you've bled the water system fully. Once it's bled, you can shut all the taps back down and you'll be able to then turn on the water heater. The water heater itself is on this control panel above the door. You hit the button here. You've got the water temperature, which you can turn on. You've got eco, hot or boost when you're showering, so entirely up to you which one you go on to. To set it, you just hit the button here and that will set the power, the setting for it. Room temperature, very simple to do. Spin the dial around, select the temperature, for instance 25 degrees. Water temperature, as I said. Next one across is the power source you're using. So on some caravan sites you'd use gas only. So if you want to use gas only, you can select that. You'd need the gas bottle on in the front locker. Mix 1 is 1000 watts of power and gas at the same time. Mix 2 is 2000 watts of power and gas at the same time. Electric 1 is 1000 watts of power on its own, and electric 2 is 2000 watts of power on its own. If you wish to use the fan or the onboard fans, you can do eco or high. Eco will just rotate the air round and high will obviously blow the air a bit quicker around the van. In the manual, it will tell you how to set the timers for the heating and hot water, the clock, and the extra settings that are in here. But that is how you use the heating hot water in this particular caravan. With the fridge, you've got mains power. So when you're on site with mains hookup, you'll go to mains power and you'll control the temperature on this dial on the right hand side. If you want to use the 12 volt battery on board, you'll go to 12 volt and then your dial on this side again will control the temperature. And if you want to use gas, you'll put it onto the gas symbol to chill the fridge, hold in the gas valve and hit the igniter. When it does ignite, the little red line there is actually your pilot light. That will come around into the green, and when it's in the green, that is the pilot light and telling you it is ignited. Cooker, self-explanatory, same as your household cooker, no differences at all. In the bathroom, you've got an electric flush on the toilet, and you've got your waste flap underneath, as you can see, just there. That'll open up the waste flap in the centre of the toilet. On the outside of the caravan, the flush tank will take 3.5 litres of water and 1 capful of the pink fluid, and the toilet cassette below it will take 1 litre of water and a capful of the blue fluid. The shower itself works as a household shower would, tap on and off, and that is the same with the taps in the bathroom. I'm going to take you around the outside of the caravan now to show you how everything works on the outside, or where everything is on the outside. On the back of the caravan, you've got your wind down legs on either side, as you can see. You've then got your toilet flush fill on the outside, and then your waste cassette at the bottom. You've got your grey waste points on the side of the caravan coming out the side. wheel nuts will torque while you're here on site, and the motor mover will demonstrate while you're here on site. Your mains power lead will connect on the side of the caravan, as you can see, and go to the power post on site. You've then got your 110 amp leisure battery and your motor mover control behind the power lead on the left hand side. Your rack roll or your water barrel will connect up just like this, as you can see. So you put the water pump in the side of the caravan and drop it into your rack roll. The vent on the side of the caravan is for your heating and hot water flow, and then you've got wind down legs on each side of the caravan. Gas locker at the front, as you can see. It's actually a reverse thread on here, and this is your gas valve on top. And then you've got your hitch and hook up at the front, which will demonstrate first here on side. Down the side, you've got your last wind down leg, and then you've got your barbecue gas point. 240 volt cable on the outside. Like I said, this is the Lunar Venus 460. If you have any further questions on the operation of this caravan, please do give us a call here at the Caravan Company. Thank you very much. Bye bye.